Hey guys, it's Casey and welcome back to my channel. So this is actually going to be my very first video for 2018, and I know we are probably already in February when you guys are watching this, or maybe like a few days away from February, but I really wanted to do some type of Valentine's Day tutorial for you all. It's very different from the one that I did last year, and last year was very soft, very natural. I wanted to go all out, real Instagram glam today with the cut crease and the double liner and the super glossy lip, and I'm absolutely loving this look. Just to give you guys a quick update on my life, if you do not follow me on Instagram or Snapchat or follow me on Facebook, I am pre-recording right now, so this video is probably recorded way in advance, and the reason for that is because I am getting surgery on the 2nd of February, which I am like super duper nervous about. A lot of you guys have been sending me well wishes and DMing me on Instagram and writing me on Snapchat, and I just want to say I thank you so much because I am completely petrified of needles and doctors. During a random checkup at the doctor's, they had found like a tumor on my ovaries. It's not cancer, thank God, but it's some type of ovarian mass, I think they said. That's what it's called. I'm not too sure, but basically it is very large, about 19 point something centimeters. So with that being said, I do have to get open surgery for them to remove it and make sure there's nothing else harmful going on in my body, to preserve my fertility, like, you know, in case in the future if I want to have kids and whatnot. So with that being said, I am going to be on bed rest. But 6 to 8 weeks is a really long time, and I didn't want to keep it going that long without posting, so I am going to be pre-filming as much as possible before I am on that bed rest, and that way while I'm laying down I can edit and have videos up for you guys and still interact with you all. But back to this beat down. Guys, like, you don't even know what I went through recording this video. I had to take off all my foundation off camera and re-record it because one of my like setting sprays, when I sprayed it, it like messed up my whole foundation and made my foundation break up. And you guys already know my nose problem. Like, my foundation is already like gone off my nose, but like at this point it is what it is. If you don't have a sweaty nose, then all power to you, like lucky you. You obviously can change the lip out for something more red or something, I don't know, like even a dark brown lip will probably be really beautiful with this. A dark burgundy lip will be really beautiful, but I just wanted to kind of go with a nude, and I thought the nude looked really pretty and a little bit softer since the eyes are so dramatic. So yeah guys, if you would like to see how I got this look, please keep watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with your friends. If you decide to create something like this for Valentine's Day or girls' night out or work or church or the grocery store, feel free to tag me on Instagram. I always leave my social media handles down below for you guys. And I just want to say thank you so much for all the support and love you have guys shown me thus far. And I'm just hoping for an amazing 2018 with you all. I'm hoping for some fire makeup looks and some fire fashion videos and hair videos and all that good stuff. You guys let me know what you guys want to see. So yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling. I feel like there was a lot I had to tell you guys. Now let's get started.